Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we will learn how to integrate Stripe and Twilio. Our use case is very simple. When a new customer is created in Stripe, it will send an SMS through Twilio. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and Twilio is used to send bulk SMS. So what we are trying to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to Twilio. But there is one minor problem. The integration between Stripe and Twilio is actually very limited. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and Twilio. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so bring your attention to this part called as connect. Here, click on access now. Then click on the right button called as create workflow. A dialog box appears in front of you. I'm going to give a name to this workflow. The name of the workflow is Stripe to Twilio. Then press create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, since we are interested in sending the messages from Stripe to Twilio, let's make the trigger app as Stripe. In the choose method, since we want to send the information when a new customer is created, let's make the trigger as new customer. Now, new customer is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if the new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new refund, new charge, new coupon, new plan, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. Okay, so let's keep it as new trigger. So essentially what we are trying to do is, we are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. Okay, so this is my Stripe account. Since we are interested in integrating Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's go to this part called as developers. Here, let's go to this part called as webhooks. Okay, at the right corner, you will find a button called as Add Endpoint. Click this. A window appears in front of you. Here you will find a blank called as Endpoint URL. So we want this endpoint URL. So to get the endpoint URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the endpoint URL you want, and paste it here. But before that, just remove this HTTP part and paste it. The description will remain empty, the version will remain same. Now coming to the most important part, events to send. Now we want to send the data when a new customer is created. So let's make the event as customer created. Customer created. Click this and then click on add endpoint. Okay, so the status is showing as enabled. So essentially we have integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from Stripe since it is integrated with Stripe. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and first of all click on this button called as capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for a data. So let's go to our Stripe and let's create one dummy customer. So let's go to customer and click on new. Here we will create a dummy customer. Okay, so the name of the customer, let's say, is Lily Jo. The account email is Jasmine Lily 123 gmail.com, something random that's popping in my mind, that's all. The description, let's keep it as I love ice creams. Okay. And the country, let's keep it as India. Lily Jo is from India. The address line E105 Ashoka Enclave. The address line 2 is near Apsara Talkies. The city is Bhopal. The postal code is 462023. State is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And the phone number is, this is the most important part. So the phone number, I'm basically just going to copy a phone number. I'm just copying this. So I've copied and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so the phone number has been pasted. The time zone, not really important. Language, let's see whether we have English. The currency is INR, I suppose. Yeah, Indian rupee. The tax status is taxable. The tax ID is random. Just click on add customer. Okay, so a person called as Lily Jo has been created. Her email address is jasminelily123@gmail.com. And the description is I love ice creams. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with Stripe, has captured this data or not. So let's go and see in Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So let's check our data. So the address line 1 is E105 Ashoka Enclave. The line 2 is near Apsara Talkies. This is the country and this is the city. So where is the name? Okay, this is the email jasminelily123@gmail.com. And this is the name and this is the phone number. Okay, so basically all the data has been captured by Pabbly Connect from Stripe. So now we have to sync all of this information to Twilio so that it can send a SMS. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Since we are interested in sending the message through Twilio, let's make it as Twilio. Twilio, okay, this one. Now in the choose method, since we are interested in sending an SMS, let's keep the action as send an SMS. So if you want more action other than sending an SMS, you can request at admin@pabbly.com to build a specific action for you. But at present, I'm interested in sending an SMS. So let's click on connect with Twilio. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: account SID, authorization token, and account SID. To get account SID and authorization token, let's go to our Twilio account. And here you will find the option at the right corner called as settings. Click on settings. Click this settings. Okay, it is asking me authentication. Let me enter my password here. Pabbly12. Okay. So I have been authorized. So this is the account SID I want. Copy this and paste it here. Now the authorization token. Let's go to Twilio again. And this is the authorization token you want. Okay. So just remove the privacy. Copy this and paste it here. Now again we have to enter the account SID. So just copy this and again repaste it here. Then click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. So we are going to map in the data that we have received from Stripe into these blank. So to create an SMS. So before we start mapping the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. So in the body of the SMS, we are going to map in some of the details so that we can build a body of the SMS. So this button is called as the mapping button. So click this. Now I'm going to write first some SMS, the body of the SMS. So the name, let's say, hi, thanks for purchase. And between hi, let's type Mr. And then we are going to type in the name Lily Joy. Since Lily Joy is a Miss, so let's make it as Miss. Thanks for the purchase. Your stuff will be delivered to this address. Let's map in the address. Okay, I'm sorry. Address is first line. Then we are going to map in the second line. Okay, that would do. Now in the sender's number, you have to enter your number. Okay, the number through which the messages will be delivered. So I'm going to type in the number. Yes, okay, so my number has been typed in. In the recipient number, here you are going to enter the number of the recipient. So the number of the recipient was that we had got from Stripe. Phone number, it was phone number. Yeah, this is the number. Then click on save and send request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to this phone number. So let's see whether we have got the SMS. Yes, we have got the SMS and it reads as Hi Miss Liljoy, thanks for the purchase. Your stuff will be delivered to this address E105 Ashok Enclave, Bhopal. Okay, so the presence of this SMS shows that we have integrated Twilio and Stripe with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new customer is created in Stripe, a welcoming message or SMS will be sent via Twilio. So to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe and let's receive one more SMS. Okay, so but before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm minimizing my action window and then I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect, then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and Twilio. So let's create one more customer in Stripe. So let's go to Stripe and let's create one more customer. The name is Jones Harvey, something random that's coming to my mind. The email is jonesharvey123@gmail.com. Okay, let's party to the fullest. Okay, that would do. The country is India and country is India. Okay, the address line one is G10 near some street, something random that's coming into my head, that's all. City is Varanasi. Postal code is 462023. State, let's keep it as Madhya Pradesh again because I don't know the pin codes of rest of the states. So in the phone number, let's paste it here. Okay, so the language, let's keep it as English. Currency is INR. We have INR. Okay, tax status is taxable, tax ID is random. Then click on add customer. Yes, we have got the message and it reads as Hi Ms. Jones Harvey, thanks for the purchase. Your stuff will be delivered to this address G10 Varanasi. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So this means anytime a new customer is created in Stripe, a message will be sent via Twilio.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.